Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is breakfast time. This is my breakfast pods, red rice and chicken. And also I have sweet dates and cucumber and fresh mango and bread and hot dry. That's my breakfast pods, guys. But ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods. Okay, let's set breakfast. Mango. Hmm. Super sweet. Napakatamis. Hmm. Ang tamis. This is my first time to eat this kind of mango, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not speaking English, but I try to speak English so that the other friend, they understand little better. Ang tamis. Hmm. Napakatamis. Wow.